Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The isoelectric point, pi, of an amino acid is the pH at which the molecule carries no net electrical charge. For an amino acid with multiple ionizable groups, pi is calculated as the average of the two pKa values that flank the zwitterionic, neutral, form. Identifying the groups. Group Z, alpha carboxyl, CO2H attached directly to the alpha carbon pKa is equal to 2.2. Group X, side chain carboxyl, O2C, CH2 pKa is equal to 4.3. Plus NH3, alpha amino group, Y pKa is equal to 9.7. Determining the zwitterion region. At the isoelectric point, glutamic acid exists as a zwitterion with both carboxyl groups deprotonated and the amino group protonated. Wait, let us reconsider. The zwitterion of glutamic acid, an acidic amino acid, has the alpha amino group protonated plus NH3 and both carboxyl groups. Actually, at pi only one net charge state is neutral. For an acidic amino acid like glutamic acid, the neutral zwitterion has alpha NH3 plus protonated, alpha Cu deprotonated, and side chain Cu protonated. This species exists between pKa of the side chain carboxyl 4.3 and pKa of the alpha carboxyl 2.2. Re-examining order of ionization from low to high pH, first Z loses proton, pKa is equal to 2.2, then X loses proton, pKa is equal to 4.3, then Y loses proton, pKa is equal to 9.7. Species at various pH. Below 2.2 plus H3NCH, Cu CH2 Cu charge is equal to plus 1. Between 2.2 and 4.3 plus H3NCH, Cu CH2 Cu charge is equal to 0. This is the neutral zwitterionic form. Between 4.3 and 9.7 plus H3NCH, Cu CH2 Cu charge is equal to -1. Above 9.7, H2NCH, Cu CH2 Cu charge is equal to -2. The neutral, zwitterionic, form exists between pKa, Z is equal to 2.2 and pKa, X is equal to 4.3, pi is equal to pKa, Z plus pKa, X, 2 is equal to 2.2 plus 4.3, 2 is equal to 6.5, 2 is equal to 3.25. Why other options fail? A. 7.00. This would be the pi for a neutral amino acid, average of alpha Cu and alpha NH3+, not applicable here. C. 4.95. This would be the average of pKa, X, and pKa, Y, is equal to 4.3 plus 9.7, 2, which corresponds to the wrong pair of flanking species. D. 5.95, incorrect average, does not correspond to any meaningful flanking pair. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.